We just left the Alien Jerky store right up the street in Baker, and so we thought we'd stop at this thermometer. You guys, look at this. It says Baker, California, gateway to Death Valley. Oh my gosh, we love Death Valley. We want to get out there again. But look at this, you guys. It's 84 degrees. This is the world's largest thermometer as far as we know. But we stopped because it says they have a gift shop. So let's go see what's inside. It says entrance this way. And so Joey went ahead of me. And then here's a little sign here. And so there he is over there. So we were wondering what kind of things they would have in this gift shop. Oh, here's the parking lot. We couldn't figure out where the parking lot was, you guys. So I'm gonna go this way. I think I missed the entrance, you guys. Oh my gosh, yeah, I missed the entrance somewhere. So anyways, you guys, look at this. Look at this. There's Joey. Say hi, Joey.
Hey.
I came through here. Is this where you came through?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, I came through over there.
Oh, okay. I couldn't find the entrance. And so it says, Joey, that it's the gateway to Death Valley.
Yep.
Isn't it a beautiful drive to Death Valley?
It is.
We love it.
Yeah.
It was so cool.
Want to move out here?
No, I don't want to move out here. It gets really hot in the summer, you guys. Look at that. It goes right up into the sky.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go inside, okay? I am so thirsty, you guys. I'm really parched. And so we got some cream sodas at the jerky place.
Yeah.
And then we're going to stop for ice cream on the way home.
Not
Oops,
open.
not open. Oh, it says we'll return at 2 o'clock. Okay, what time is it, Joey?
It says it's opened up at 10.
Oh, okay.
It's 12 o'clock.
Oh, all right. Let's see, is this other one? Oh, it says please use other door. Okay, I don't see anyone in here, you guys. I see t-shirts, I see hats, I see books. I see like little baby shirts and onesie, and I see jerky. Oh, here comes somebody, you guys. Okay, here we go, honey. Thank you. We just had to stop to see what would you have in this shop. Oh, okay, because we saw the thermometer out there. Is it the world's largest thermometer?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. How long has it been standing out there?
This is actually the second one. The first one was built 1991 and fell over in 1991. And
Oh.
then they rebuilt it in 92.
Okay.
If you look up on the wall over here, you have
Oh, they have the
construction area. That's
artwork,
when
the
it fell down.
photographs. Okay, so in 91, I didn't realize it was in 1991. And so what caused it to fall over? Was it the wind or something? Was it a strong wind?
It's actually strong winds and poor construction.
You were in kindergarten school. Do you mind being on my YouTube channel?
Oh, sure, yeah.
Oh, okay. So, hi, what's your first name?
Matthew.
Matthew, and this is?
Bella.
Hi, Bella. And so you live here. You grew up here then.
Yeah.
And so you were in kindergarten
Yeah, when it fell over.
when, oh my gosh, was it like big news at the time?
Yeah, it came through and it crushed. Luckily, it didn't hit the restaurant, but it fell, I think, this way, like towards, like just heading towards it.
Okay.
And it crushed one of the trucks that were there.
Oh my gosh, no one was hurt, were they?
No, no one was hurt.
Okay.
Just some structural damage, obviously, from here down.
Do you know what caused it?
What we heard was it was high wind because we were watching it go side to side.
Mm-hmm.
We were in little recess, side to side, and it didn't reinforce it all the way up.
Oh, it wasn't reinforced all the way up.
Yeah, so it wasn't
Okay.
built properly the first time.
Okay, and then they replaced it in the following year, 92. And so you saw that from the playground when you were like 5 years old then, right? And so your school must be like right out this way. There must be an elementary school.
Yeah.
Right there, the brown
Oh,
building
okay.
on-
Oh, okay. There's a brown building out there, you guys. It's way over there, and you could actually see that. I can imagine what the kids were thinking, you know, when they saw it going back. And you actually saw it fall, right?
I didn't actually see it fall. We heard it.
You heard it crash. Wow.
But we were
Did
watching
everyone
it.
run outside to see what happened?
Yeah, because we were watching it do this the entire time.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Really.
Wow. Do you know how tall it is?
Hi,
It's
welcome.
134 feet.
134 feet. Wow, that's very interesting.
To the hottest
Thanks for talking with us. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi,
Okay.
YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Thanks. Thank you. That was interesting. That was so interesting, you guys. I had no idea. See, that's why it's good to stop at places, right? Look at these. These look like some albums. Oh, it's where you sign in, like for guests. And then here's a picture frame, world's tallest thermometer, Baker, California. And there's all kinds of money here, you guys, all kinds of notes and coins. And it looks like people have signed them and they put them in frames here. Nice. Oh, and they have more cold drinks here. Lots of water, Joey, because we're in the desert. Oh, Joey, did you see the penny machine?
I know.
Do you need more change? I've got quarters.
Let's see how many quarters you got.
Okay, I've got 4 quarters. And then look at the books, you guys. They have children's books. Oh, look at these. Fang and Stinger, an arachnid story, Desert Night Shift, Coyote. Do princesses wear hiking boots? And Critter Litter Southwest. Great Southwest activity books. I love children's books, you guys. A cowgirl and her horse, and the Mojave Desert. Lizards for lunch. Skillet temp, and it says number on the right. And so look at the skillet here, you guys, and they have a thermometer in there. And yesterday's temp was 84, Joey. It says follow us on Facebook. That is really cool. They have restrooms in here, you guys. If you need a restroom stop. And also there's articles about the thermometer on the wall here. And then you could purchase thermometers. And there's t-shirts. Oh, look at this one. This one comes with the color markers. It's like history books. This is a really neat place to stop, you guys. Oh, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Check this out. It says Grandpa's Corner. What would Grandpa say? This is local author. And then what is this right here? Oh, it's a puzzle, you guys. It's a puzzle. Oh, there it is right here. Oh, and look at this, you guys. They have a snow globe. It's 15. And I love these chairs where you can sit and relax. You can play checkers. This looks like a really cute book, you guys. It's only $9, called Desert Night Shift, a pack rat story. So I might go ahead and get this and read this on Maria Tortilla's story time. Look at the artwork. I love picture books. Look at that, you guys. Okay, so let's take this one, you guys. They also have little games like checkers. It says, Joey, that it's the gateway to Death Valley.
Yep.
Isn't it a beautiful drive to Death Valley?
It is.
We love it.
Yeah.
It was so cool.
Want to move out here?
No, I don't want to move out here. It gets really hot in the summer, you guys. Look at that. It goes right up into the sky.